What's up guys, EPICJONTUAZON here, and today we're going to be doing another video on the 2021 Ford F-150. It is quite windy, so I'm going to make this video quick, but we are going to be taking off the 3 trifold Oedro hard tonneau cover, and we're going to be replacing it with a new cover from Oedro as well. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so not much has changed. It's still got that aluminum honeycomb density. It's still a folding tonneau cover, hard cover at that, made by Oedro. It's still got the LED lights on the inside. The only difference is it's a quad cover, not a trifold, which allows me to open it up in smaller increments, which I kind of like. Having 3 big panels to move is super heavy, especially if you're doing it single-handedly, but to each their own. There's just different options. So I have either a 3 trifold cover to go to or a quad cover. And so one of the cool things about this cover is not only does it have latches to lock onto the end closest to the tailgate, but it also has secondary locks on the second panel. So you can essentially leave this open and not have to worry about the whole tonneau cover flapping up in the wind. All in all, this is a quality product from Oedro, and it's nothing less than you would expect. So there you have it, a quick and simple install of the quad cover from Oedro. Thank you to Oedro for sending out such a great product. If you guys are interested in this product or any of the products that Oedro has to offer, please check the description below. If you have any questions about the installation, drop a comment in the comment section below. Other than that, I hope you guys stay safe, stay warm, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya!